Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to teach you how to do arm massage if you have like really tight forearm muscles. And the technique that I'm going to show you today is with using a massage tool and holding it with your leg. And it's something that I developed the other night and it really works good, so stay tuned. Okay, so to make this video, I need to get over onto that big rock right there. And in order to get onto that rock, I have to either jump from here over to the rock, and I can probably do that. But I think to play it safe, what I'll do is take off my shoes and socks and just wade through the water right there. That way I won't kill myself and I won't break the camera. I can't dilly-dally because if somehow I break my neck doing something, I just got a knot in that. That was good. Alright. Okay, so we need this, we need this, and that. And this cannot fall down. Good. That felt good and good. Okay, so what you do is you take the shindig and you stick it in the corner of your legs when you're sitting in a cross-legged position, and you hold it with your toes like this. And you hold the top of it with your opposite arm, and that way you can have really good leverage to dig the tension out of the top of your arm that gets so tight. This area of your arm can get really, really tight, as well as the bottom. And that's why this tool works so good, and this technique is so amazing. You can also turn the tool with it for extra oomph. You can see how well that works. the top now. And then of course when you're ready to do the other arm, you just switch and do everything exactly the opposite over here. So you can also hold the shindig in between your feet, like that. And then hold it with your opposite arm. Turn it to whatever blade you want to use. It's got different edges. So now I'm going to show you the original reason why I invented this tool, and it was to work on this shin area, the perineal, major, and minor. I put some coconut oil on my leg to give it a good slide. You'll always get better massage if you use some coconut or olive or sesame oil. See how I'm using leverage to dig that really nice and deep? Right next to the tibia bone here is the tibialis anterior, and I'm going to strip that. Not as much pressure is required for that one. So down here is your soleus. And here is your gastrocnemius. My soleus down here is tighter than my gastrocs. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. I hope you learned some things, and I hope you're doing some self-massage today. Check out all the products at Brett's Natural Health. You know, my millet hole pillows are amazing. All the massage tools are fantastic. The custom orthotics, you'd love a pair for getting good support for the arch of your feet. All kinds of amazing products at brettsnaturalhealth.com. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Hey, there's some poop on there. Alright, let's get out of here. Ready to go. Feet are cold. Shit. I'm back heavy. I wonder what this is. Maybe it was a pump station or something. Look at this. What is that? What is this? In our beautiful mountains.